Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now, enough time I hear me telling you about the whole fast money thing, or the illegal fast money. It look appealing from the outside. It look like, movie star life. You see people that make a whole heap of money, and it seem like them not put in much effort. You might think to yourself, look how hard me I work, and me not have that. Look how me I do this, right? Me I quote unquote the things the right way, and me not drive the car there, or me not live there so. And then, out of nowhere, the same person, where they have your iPad, and I watch and I say, look how them are better than me. Next thing you hear, things go bad, them and them quote unquote friends fall out, and next thing, them end up on this channel. So I'm going to be talking about a youth where them call him Upboss Shella. Right. Now, I don't know if people remember a story where just happened a couple of days ago. I have to actually ask if people remember the story, because right now things are moving so fast, so something happened today and by tomorrow evening nobody remember it. Now, Sunday morning, early Sunday morning, party are going, right? Young man by the name of Devaru Durant lost his life. He was sitting in his BMW, chilling, right? Apparently my another man was in the car, somebody else was standing near to the car. 87 draw down upon them, start to shoot him up. The other man gets shot, the person outside the car gets shot. So 3 people get shot, 1 lose them life, and the other 2 were injured. The one who lose him life, he is the quote unquote farmer, but you know that guy already, he's actually mixed up in the scamming thing. Because they might have read the article and I say, hold on, farmer, scamming, what do you mean by St. Elizabeth farmer, right? Murder is suspected to be related to scamming. 2 different things that, farmer, scammer, 2 different man. Well, you know it guy already, right? Man have 1 job a day, next job a night. Because after the man them kill Upboss Shella, the farmer / scammer, they proceeded to make a video of him lecturing him. I mean, you can't make this stuff up. It's kind of ironic as well, because Monday, right, we dropped the video about the Teletubbies brother, right, Dante, who the man them did record themselves killing. So right now I'm going to play the audio from the video, because somebody actually sent it to me. Now obviously I can't play the video because it's extremely graphic, right? You know the things I got ready. I posted the video on Patreon, that's where I put the hardcore stuff. But what I'm going to do is play the audio so you can hear what I talk about. You can hear the man, right, who I record him, right, moments after I'm losing life. I don't even know if he did actually pass away, because in the video it looked like him have little life left. Now I don't know if it's the same person who took his life, but somebody turned up right away and proceeded to lecture him. Listen to this.
Yo, watch out, man. Watch out, my grave. Watch our video, man. Madness, man. Madness, man. You're done. You see me? Yeah. Don't fuck around. You see me, yeah.
So that's the man lecturing Upboss Shella while he's in his car after them take him life. You see, I already tell him to say he was mixed up in the scamming business, but some money did go missing, or man will lamp on money and I want to send it back. He's not actually the first person to lose his life over this same money issue. Other people drop out already. When they know in the scamming world, when the man them say them want back their money, them now stop until them get to them want. And if them can't get their money, well, they might take your life. I don't know how taking life bring back the money, but who cares about logic? Them rather kill you and they get back the money that make you live and know say you probably spend the money. Versus them here say, you in a party, I live good. Because this actually happened while the party did go on. So when them see you drive around a Bima and them know say you have money for them, that made the man them get extra upset. And you know what got me next? You know them are going to dig up next? They're matic. And they're coming for you. And whoever they side of you might pick up rounds. And that happened in this case as well. People who had Nothing to do with the issue with Upboss Shella and the man them and the whole scamming money argument still pick up rounds. Somebody was standing by him car, he ended up in a hospital. But they know 87's got already, will for them shooting. We have to understand something. This whole scamming business, enough people get drawn into it because them see people live a certain lifestyle. And it look fun and it look appealing, and then them hear them favorite artists are sing entire songs dedicated to bigging up scammers. And them sister when them song they come on, everybody jump up and it sound so good. It's so appealing. But if you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. And right now, to all this scamming thing are going, you will be playing a stupid game, getting involved in it. In Jamaican culture, a bunch of acidic youths making fast money will inevitably lead to death and destruction. You've seen this over the years. These youths cannot make money and live in peace. Mobile people, tell me a lie, me I tell. Westmoreland people, tell me a lie, me I tell. Hanover people, tell me a lie, me I tell. Kingston people, tell me a lie, me I tell. Jamaicans, anyone down in the world, tell me a lie, me I tell. The man them start make money, them start out as quote unquote friends, but next thing you hear, yo, you know, so me give the man 3 million and the man don't want to send back this. Or you say, yo, you know, said the man, yo, me feel like the man I move away. Next thing you hear, yo, am I going like say, you want this man. Even when time there is no problem, them will invent one. Even if there is no strife, they will find something. If there is no beef, the man will go look for the cow and skin it. That's acidity. That's mindset. Jamaica has a cutthroat mindset. All of the man them who start out, they have the same business and make the same money, but if you look like one start get ahead of the other, it will get ugly. If something go missing and a man say, yo, are you take it? It will get ugly. So enough people go in and scamming and laugh about people who have quote unquote regular jobs. And say, you're a fool. You work for that. Last week, we make X amount. Right? That's what you make in a 6 months and laugh. But you see the scamming game, just like back in the day when it was the diet coke game. Enough man only get a good 2-3 years. Some might get 5. And it look good. You know, the nice car, all the kerosene them, the flossing, it look good. But you see when it tumble down, man mash up your belly, mash up your throat with gunshot, and then video record you, laugh and go about them business. This game is getting ugly. And it's spreading all over the country. When it was concentrated in only 1 and 2 parishes, enough people that turned a blind eye to it. And I said, well, over there said I just mobile man them that. And I just mobile man them anymore. Another thing that causes problem with these scammers. You see, when you get it too fast, you burn it up fast. As them say, easy come, easy go. One of the things that breeds jealousy and animosity, right, in the scamming world is the fact that somebody who does make $5 million in a one night, them not build nothing, them not create nothing, right? Them not really offer no value to nobody, right? It's fast money. That person immediately head to your favorite nightclub, head to the dance and start to dash the money and start to buy this and buy that. Other man did it, I watch them and I say, oh, so y'all live? Especially them a scammer too, but them now make the same amount. Maybe they're not a scammer. Maybe they're just 87s who do, you know, regular little robberies and then them see you in the place and make beer money. Now them a go link you and tell you say, yo, every week make sure you send across X amount. Scammer go say, who you tell that? You can't tell me that. But the scammer who sometimes they're not 87s, decide say I'm gonna link one next 87. Pay the 87 there, and give him like a strength. So now you have scammer at fun 87 under the guise of, you know, protection. From my next 87, all hell broke loose. Them either can't make money and live in peace. They definitely cannot make fast money, illegal money, and live in peace. You see, when you take your time earn it, it comes with a certain amount of skill, right? You kind of respect the money more. You respect the time more, because you know, right, the struggles you have to go through. But this, today you have $10, next week you have 10 million. It needs a whole heap of EQ. It needs a whole heap of strong personality traits. Come across so much money so fast and I get caught under the madness. And remember we are talking about illegal money because you're already committing a crime. So you're already a criminal. You're already prone to breaking the law. So when somebody is prone to breaking the law in one thing, then people are easier to break it in another. Oh, I just look at scamming. Then that turn into, oh, I just look at shooting. That turn into, oh, I just look at murder. I did an entire video on this where I said if the scamming man in Jamaica, they just make money without the violence, many of your favorite leaders and police officers will just take a thing from them and make them live in peace. I'm telling you that right now. Your favorite leaders, your favorite cops, right, would take a thing from them and make them stay and do what they do. They would not be losing any sleep over the fact that old people are losing their entire life savings. Unless Uncle Sam get involved, they would do nothing. The reason why them get so much pressure, why them come down so hard on the whole scamming thing, is because of the violence that is associated with it. And them know so anywhere scamming go, death and destruction follow in Jamaica. Scamming is not unique to Jamaica. You know? There are countries that scam so much that they make Jamaica look like a joke. They make Jamaican scammers look like a joke. But as soon as your favorite Jamaican scammer make money, all of a sudden, his next goal is to become Pablo Escobar. His next goal is to become El Chapo. And then watch the crime rate spike. Watch the murder rate spike. Watch gun and shipping. Anyway, Ultra Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Bless.